Hey everyone, welcome back. I was lucky enough to get my hands on some wild caught salmon, and man, it's nice. So today, I want to do something with a little Mexican flair. So let's grill up some blackened, wild caught, chili lime salmon on my Blaze Pro grill. Let's go. I'll go ahead and turn the grill on to high heat and set the cast iron in so that it can preheat as well. I'm adding just a little smoke for another layer of flavor. You can choose to do this or not, it's not detrimental to the recipe. So while the grill is preheating, I'm going to pat the fish dry and gently feel for any bones that may still be in there, and if so, get those out. And now I can get the chili lime rubbed together. In a small bowl, mix together 1.5 teaspoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and the zest and juice of a lime. It'll turn into a paste that I'll just coat the meat side with. So by this time, the grill should be well preheated. Man, I love the aroma you get from quick searing some lemon and limes. Again, this is just for my garnishment, so you can choose to do this step or not. Now time to put the salmon on. I'll cook this meat side down first for about 3.5 minutes for a fillet this size. Then another 3.5 minutes on the skin side to fully cook the fish. Man, salmon is super awesome and healthy. It is rich in omega-3 acids, probably one of the most nutritious foods on the planet. Good for decreasing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, also a great source of protein, and it's just super versatile while cooking. Man, it's looking and smelling great. Can't wait to try it. I think she smells salmon. I like this served on a bed of cilantro rice. Once plated, I'll squeeze a bit more lemon or lime, and it's ready to devour. Ooh, looks good. Oh, look. This is a super simple recipe. All of these ingredients, which are just a few, I have in my home year round. You can use pretty much any frozen fish you may have, or even chicken. So yeah, let's give it a shot. Good sound. Oh yeah. That lime. I threw a little cilantro in the bed of rice. That is delicious. Oh yeah. Good stuff. Really good. Thanks for watching today. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell for notifications. See you next time.